Hello everybody, John Reed here, Director of Operations, here to give everybody an update on the RoadRunner grill renovation project. Back here in the back hallway, we removed the mirrors, retextured them, they're prepping for repaint when we're ready for it. Also, we're gearing up for a short shutdown of our hydraulic system so we can reconnect our new fan coils. Here in the new bar area, we've completed all the rough-in for the plumbing and the electrical. Everything's ready to go, and connected some of the plumbing for the new fan coil and done some low voltage wiring as well. Here in the service station, we've also completed the plumbing and the rough electrical and did some work on the walls, and we're ready to move forward. Here in the Becca House area, we've installed 3 new fan coils. We've installed the stainless steel for the kitchen area and completed all the plumbing and the electrical and ready to move forward in this area. Here in the pizza oven area, we've completed electrical and the plumbing. We've also installed 2 new electrical panels back there on that wall. And the fan coil up there is the one remaining fan coil we have to remove. But we also have installed 1 new fan coil above the back wall here. Here in the main dining area, we've installed all the new ductwork, all the new lighting and the new grid, and ready to move forward in this area as well. Here in the back patio area, we are working on the underground drain system that's going to connect a new bar. As you can see here, we've installed the pillars for a new main entrance, and we received our new kitchen hood assembly. I'd like to let everybody know everything's going as planned. Epstein Construction has been a pleasure to work with. Please stay tuned for the next RoadRunner Grill update.